Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So, if you've been in the online marketing game for any length of time, you know that one of the hardest things to get right is driving quality traffic to your offers. We all want to make money online, but without targeted traffic, it's nearly impossible to see the results you want. Well, today, I want to talk about a service that promises to make that process a whole lot easier. It's called the Click Engine. This is a traffic service that claims to send real buyer traffic to your links on 100% autopilot. Sounds intriguing, right? But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Now, right off the bat, I know what you're thinking. Another traffic service, really? Believe me, I've seen my fair share of these types of offers. But what sets the Click Engine apart is the way it works, and more importantly, how simple it is. So let's take a look at what's involved. The Click Engine is designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. Once you sign up, you don't have to worry about setting up complicated ads or managing campaigns. All you need to do is submit a link you want to promote, whether it's an affiliate offer, a product, or whatever you're working on. After that, your link gets added to a rotator, along with other Click Engine members' links. Then, each day, an email goes out to the entire Click Engine community, and the members who click on your link share in the traffic generated. That's it. You just sit back, relax, and let the traffic roll in. What makes this so appealing is the claim that all the clicks are from real buyers. Jeff Amon, the creator of the Click Engine, emphasizes this point heavily in the sales pitch. If you've tried running ads on Google or Facebook, you know how hard it is to get quality clicks that convert. And if you've ever paid for traffic before, you've probably experienced that gut-wrenching moment when you realize you've just wasted money on freebie seekers who have no interest in actually buying anything. The Click Engine promises to solve that problem by ensuring all the clicks you get are from people who are genuinely interested in making purchases. Now, whether or not that's true is hard to verify without trying the service yourself, but it's definitely an interesting selling point. Another thing that stands out is the simplicity of the whole system. After you set it up, there's literally nothing more for you to do. No managing ads, no optimizing campaigns, no need to worry about writing ad copy or A/B testing. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it system. This is a huge time saver for those of us who don't want to spend hours every week tinkering with ads and trying to figure out what's working and what's not. And here's the kicker. While this kind of service could easily go for $30 per month, the Click Engine is currently priced at just $4.90 per month. That's an insanely low price, considering the potential value it promises. Jeff mentions that once the service catches on, the price will likely go up. So if you're interested, now is the time to jump in. But of course, like with any service, there's a catch. While the idea sounds great, I'd advise you to test it carefully before committing fully. The rotator system might not always result in the highest quality traffic for your specific niche, and the traffic might not convert as well as you'd hope. But at this price, it's worth testing out for a month or two, especially if you're looking for an easy, low-maintenance way to drive traffic without breaking the bank. At the end of the day, the Click Engine is a no-fuss way to get consistent traffic to your offers. It might not be a magic bullet, but if you're looking for a simple solution to driving traffic without all the hassle, this could be a great tool to add to your arsenal. Just make sure you keep your expectations realistic and give it a fair test. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.